Okay, I have written RDRY husbandry. Okay, this is animal husbandry. Write down the science. What is animal husbandry? It is the science which deals with the breeding, feeding, and caring. The science which deals with the breeding, feeding, and caring. It deals with the breeding, feeding, and the caring of the domestic animals. Of the domestic animals. And this is known as animal husbandry. Still the students are running. Okay. अब हमें पता है यस मानसवी. Yeah, bete, I have to start with the next chapter also today. Yes.
And the board is not clear.
Why it is not clear? मुझे तो बहुत clear नजर आ रहा है. Any और कोई student? हाँ जी बेटे रिदम. Maybe bete, because of the rainy season, the network problem may be at your side also. Just check it out your network connection. Here we can see the board is absolutely clear. Yes, Somil.
Okay.
Ma'am, the board is clear.
It is clear. Bete. Yes, Rhythm.
Ma'am, is
Yes, Rhythm. Mansi, it may be on your side.
ma'am, the
Yes, Rhythm. Yes, bete. You are not being, you are not, I am not able to see you now. Actually, this desk is somewhat. Yes. Any more doubt you are having now? It is clear, bete. From my side, I can see very well. Abhi koi network problem is. So this is called bete animal husbandry. We know we obtain milk from the buffalo, goat, and camels and all things, and we prepare ghee, खोया और दही खाते हैं. तो इन एनिमल्स की टेक केयर करना भी हमारे लिए जरूरी हो जाता है. So there are certain kind of poultry farming, and there is also the pisciculture, जिसमें हम फिश को देखते हैं. And poultry farming में there is rearing. You can write down. This is from the junior class itself. One is bete poultry farming. पोल्ट्री में सारी हैंस वगैरह ऐसे एनिमल्स आ जाते हैं. तो इसमें क्या करते हैं? रियरिंग एंड ब्रीडिंग. यू कैन राइट डाउन ऑल्सो. रियरिंग एंड ब्रीडिंग ऑफ पोल्ट्री like you know it is hen. और क्या आ जाएंगे पोल्ट्री में? कैन यू गिव मी एग्जांपल? डक. ओके, हम इनसे क्या लेते हैं? फॉर एग्स, फॉर मीट एटसेट्रा. फॉर एग्स एंड मीट. So this is bete poultry farming. Now next is pisciculture. पिसिकल्चर में आ जाएगा फिश के बारे में. नेक्स्ट इज, हैव यू रिटन दिस? हैव यू रिटन दिस बेटे? पिसिकल्चर is all about the fishes. The production of fish on the large scale by farming. The production of the fish at large scale by farming fish. फिश कहाँ फॉर्म करेंगे? जैसे प्लांट्स की नर्सरी होती है वैसे ही फिश की नर्सरीज होती है जिसको हैचरीज कहते हैं. इन फिश नर्सरीज, फिश नर्सरीज को कहा जाता है बेटे हैचरीज. ओके, सो विद द फिश नर्सरीज you can farm out so we are starting with the chapter. The chapter is finished. Now we are starting with the question answer and I am sharing the screen with you. Yes. Okay. It is visible to you all. So we can see here the filling the blanks. And the same kind of plant grow and cultivated on the large scale at a place is called, we very well know it is known as crop. The first step before growing crop is, first step हम क्या करते हैं बेटे? Preparation. Damaged seed would dash on the top. Damaged seed हमने देखा था जो unhealthy seeds से they are floating on the top of the water. ठीक. And the last part for growing a crop, sufficient sunlight and water and certain nutrients, as we have to select from the column. So it is nutrients. So can you match the following? Can you match it? Hurry up. Who will match it? One student. Jaldi bolo. Kharif crop में कौन से आ जाते हैं? Hurry up. Raise your hands. If anyone wants to give the answer. If there are kharif crop, yes, Somil, very good. Kharif crop कौन सी होंगी बेटे?
Paddy and maize.
Paddy and maize, right. Rabi,
Wheat, gram, pea.
very nice. Wheat, gram, pea. Chemical fertilizers,
Urea and super phosphate.
okay then. Organic matter,
Animal excreta, cow dung,
cow dung, urine and plant waste. Done. So next question, Mans will be giving the answer to example of kharif and to example of rabi crop. It is given in the match the following only. Andi jaldi. You have matched it and now you have given the answers of next which is given in the previous question only. Yes, Mansvi, you can give the answer. Hurry up. Yes, bete. You can't unmute yourself. Amarjot wants to give answer. Yes, Amarjot, bete, hurry up.
मैम खरीफ के लिए पैडी एंड मेज,
Yes.
रबी के लिए वीट, ग्राम, पी.
हाँ, ऊपर ही given है. Write in paragraph in your words on each of the following. So they are saying to write the paragraph in your words. You are being told about preparation of the soil already, in which you have plowed the soil, then leveling, you can write down. Okay, we have done. Sowing, in the sowing, we have selected the healthy seeds, and then sowing we have done by so many methods like broadcast method, weight traditional tool you have used, then seed drills you have used, then plant transplantation you have done. So you can write yourself. Weeding is to remove weed. By manually we can remove with the sickle and hoe and all the things, or by spraying the weedicides. Threshing, again we have done yesterday only. In the threshing, we have separated grains from the calf, and we have used thresher, mechanical thresher I have shown to you, and so you can write down. This is write a paragraph in your word, and as we have done. Any student, if I'm having any problem in this question, can ask. How fertilizers are different from manure? This certainly we have done so many points in the class. How fertilizers are different from the manures. Yes, we will compile. Hurry up. We have done already. Yes, Mansvi wants to compile. Hurry up, Mansvi.
मैं पहले अनम्यूट ही नहीं हो रहा था.
Yes, Mansvi. हो गए. Anyone more? Or else I am saying. हाँ, जल्दी.
Fertilizers are artificially formed, whereas manures are naturally formed in field. Fertilizers are inorganic in nature. Manure are organic in nature.
Next.
Fertilizers cause pollution.
Who provide more nutrients? Hurry up. I will ask you, you will give me the answer. Fertilizer. Who is fast? Fertilizers are fast or manure?
Fertilizers.
Fertilizers. Who adds humus to the soil?
Manure.
Manure adds humus to the soil. Fertilizer doesn't add. Who is required in small quantity?
Fertilizers.
Fertilizers. So fertilizers are required in the small quantity, and the manure is required in the large quantity. Who is commercially obtained?
And fertilizers.
So fertilizers are the commercially obtained, and manure are the natural ones. Who is organic and who is inorganic?
Fertilizers are
inorganic and manure are organic. Who causes pollution?
Fertilizers.
Fertilizers. So many points you can write down. So next question, what is irrigation? So we know what is irrigation. Yes, Khyati. Yes, Bete.
Ma'am, we can add this point in the difference that fertilizers need special guidelines and precautions, whereas manures don't require any guideline or precautions.
Very nice. The Khyati has added one more point in our points. Good one, Bete. Yes, Somil.
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am, बोलो answer irrigation का.
Yes, Bete. Just speak it up loudly.
The supply of water to the crop plants at regular intervals through sources other than rain is called irrigation.
So he is giving the definition of the irrigation. Very nice. To supply water at a definite interval of time to the crop, and it is irrigation done by us, not by only the rain. Very nice. So you have done two methods. One is sprinkler method and other one is drip irrigation. So this method will be explained by other student now, as I have not explained. Want to hear the answers? Yes, Khyati. What is drip irrigation and what is sprinkler?
Sprinkler irrigation, it moves round and round and sprinkles
Yes,
water
Betty,
to all.
You can read from the book. You can read from your notes. Hurry up, Betty.
And sprinkle irrigation gives water to all the plants as much as they want, whereas drip irrigation provides water to the plants drip by drip.
Listen to me. You have to explain two methods. You don't have to differentiate. Just tell me first what is sprinkler method and what is done in the sprinkler method. They're asking you the two methods, not the difference. Just tell me the what is sprinkler method first. Anyone more? So वही hand raise हो रहे हैं. The rest students are sleeping somewhere. So I have Somil, Khyati, Mansvi. Anyone other? Very wrong at your part. Now Somil is there. So Somil, you will continue the answer. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, yes. Sprinkler system. This system is more useful on the uneven land.
Loudly,
where
beta, loudly.
This system is more useful on the uneven land where sufficient water is not available. The perpendicular pipes having rotating nozzles on top are joined to the main pipeline at irregular intervals. The water gets sprinkled on the crop as if it is raining. It is the very useful way. Drip system. In this system, the water falls drop by drop directly near the root. So it is called the drip system. This is also the way to conserve the water. It
Well-
is a boon in regions where availability of water is poor.
Very nice. So in the drip system, the water is delivered at the near the roots of the plant, drop by drop. And so the method is very efficient as the water wastage is very much less better in this. If the water is sprinkled or given to the plant drop by drop, there this method can be opted, as Somil said, that where the water is less, availability of water is there, so there is no wastage of water at all. In the sprinkler season, as the Somil again has said, told us that it is used in uneven land. Here the water is supplied using the pipes to one or more central location. ठीक? And what is happening here? Water is allowed to flow under high pressure with the help of pump, and it gets sprinkled on the crops. So this is the method. See? Next question, as you can see, if wheat is sowed in a kharif season, what would happen? Discuss. Yes, Navkaran. अगर आप wheat खारिफ सीजन में ग्रो कर लेते हो तो क्या होगा?
If wheat is sown in Kharif season, then whole crop might be destroyed because of many factors such as lack of optimum temperature, adaptability, availability, etc. Kharif season includes rainy season, which is not favorable for growth and functioning. When a farmer continues to grow crops after another, then all nutrients available in soil reduce and crop yield decreases automatically.
Very nice. So, beta, we know that in the Kharif season, what is happening? There is so much of rainfall, and our wheat crop doesn't need this kind of water, so much of water to grow. If you will provide so much water to grow to the wheat plant, it will be definitely get ruined up and destroyed one day. ठीक है? इसको पानी नहीं चाहिए, ये विंटर सीजन में ग्रो करती है. अगर आप इसको खारिफ सीजन में ग्रो कर दोगे तो वाटर ज्यादा मिलेगा और आपकी बीट की जो प्लांट खराब हो जाएगी. ठीक. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एक्सप्लेन हाउ soil get affected by the continuous plantation of crops in a field. Now I want other hand, I don't want Somil. So this shows that he is very much active. Where are the rest one? Again, Mansvi, same hand. I have 28 students. Again, Khyati. So Sarthak, I have now. Very nice. Yes, Sarthak.
Due to the continuous plantation of the crops will make the soil poor in the nutrients.
Then what will happen to the soil, bete? So it will become infertile. The fertility of the soil will be lost. If you're growing on the same plantation, what will happen? The nutrient will get lost one day, and the soil will become infertile, and it doesn't get any time to replenishment of its nutrients. You can't replenish its nutrients, so it will become infertile one day. So what are weeds? Weeding हम already मैंने कहा अपने आप करो. How can we control them? So what are weeds? Hurry up. I don't want Mansvi to be raised hand. Mansvi is very much aware. बाकी सो रही है class. So very nice. Now Rhythm has also raised the hand. Yes, Rhythm. What is weed?
Yes, ma'am. Weeds are the unwanted plants that grow along with the crop or food crop. We can control the weeds by the process known as weeding. We can spray various pesticides and rodenticides to protect the crop.
So he is very much right. So I may conclude that ki weeds, what are weeds? They are unwanted plants that grow besides the crop. And how can you control them? Either you can plow it out by hoe and kurpi and any stuff by the manual, and or you can throw the weedicides. Weedicides are the chemicals which will certainly ruin your the weeds, but not the crops. Yes, Jant, what do you want to say, bete?
Ma'am, kindly repeat eighth question. My internet connection was not stable.
Okay, then explain how soil get affected by the continuous plantation. You will continue. See, बेटे अपने आप सोचो एक plant आप continue plant करते जा रहे हो तो क्या होगा? It will take the nutrients from the soil, and if it will take the nutrients from the soil, your soil will be becoming infertile, as it is not getting the time to get back its nutrients, or it will not get time to replenish back its nutrients. Okay, bete? Okay then. So last question. This is certainly homework for you. We have done this chapter and you know what we have done from the starting to the end. Okay. So now complete your notebook, and today you will be having the test. This is test day today of this chapter up to irrigation. Got the point? Yes, Somil. And stop sharing now. 5 minutes. Next chapter we are going to start is combustion and flame. The chapter definitely we started with tomorrow. Can you tell me what is combustion? We'll start tomorrow. Just we'll discuss it today. Can anyone? You have heard about burning. What is combustion? Today we'll just take a glance over it. Yes, Somil. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, it is the process in which the substance burn, or ma'am, it burns to give heat or light.
It always produces heat and light. Do you think, Somil?
Ma'am, no, ma'am, sometimes it can't produce.
Can you give me an example of the combustion in which heat and light is not produced? Can anyone? So this is homework to you. Combustion. What is the basic difference between burning and the combustion? I am telling you, we're doing the tomorrow chapter. But this is homework for you, all of you, and I'll be going to ask. The basic difference is that burning always produces heat and light, and combustion may or may not. And now the homework is to you that give me an example of a substance which will definitely combust, means it will not produce heat and light. This is the homework for you. Combustion बेटे कोई भी सब्सटेंस जब ऑक्सीजन की प्रेजेंस में उसको बर्न किया जाता है, इट विल गिव यू कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर and produces heat and light. और साथ में हम मेंशन करते हैं इट मे और मे नॉट. डोंट राइट, विल राइट टुमारो. जस्ट वी आर डिस्कसिंग द चैप्टर. इट्स ओनली 2 minutes remaining. ठीक. Now the question arises, if we are writing may or may not. Yes, Somil.
Ma'am, the example may be glass.
Glass. Grass you are saying.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, glass, GLASS, glass.
Very nice. More example. So tomorrow we'll discuss more about it. And now the lecture is going to be up and I will meeting you tomorrow and be prepared for the test.